Hooyooy Dahabsanaaaa. I remember the ocean, beautiful, beautiful blue skies and blue water. I've been around the world, I've never seen waters like that. And I miss the smell after the rain in Somalia. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells the earth. I remember about my family, my big sister Batula, Hassan, Ali, Farhia, my beautiful mother. I remember all my friends. Hooyooy Dahabsanaaaa. I woke up one day and everything changed. Loud noises, and when we go outside, lots of blood, people killing each other for no reason. Corruption. We look alike, we speak the same language, we have the same religion. Waking up and seeing that was really, really hurtful. One day when I was very young, I woke up from my bed to the sound of a gun. Looked outside, people facing down, blood shattered in the streets, cries all around. I would dream running from the war, and I would wake up sweating, all my bed wet, and I would be, oh my God, am I in the war? What's going on? But also sometimes I wake up just dreaming that my family were with me, speaking my language and things, and then you wake up and you're like, oh, that was just a dream. I try to remember the good memories, not the negative all the time. But when you don't have your family, you will always think about them. I will think about it for the rest of my life. Lord, I gotta keep on moving. Lord, I gotta get on down. I have lived Somalia, from Somalia to Kenya to Saskatchewan. Then I went to BC. I was in Vancouver for a couple of years. And now I live in Montreal past 10 years, which I've been in love with Montreal. Let's jam, my brother. Kukusante hooyooy Dahabsanaaaa. I'm a reggae singer and songwriter, and in Montreal I have found great musicians who is willing to write or play my kind of reggae, my style of reggae, African reggae style. Hooyooy Dahabsanaaaa. Hooyooy Dahabsanaaaa. Why I'm not sitting down with, somebody and having babies and things like that. We all dream about that. And I noticed because of that big hole that's still in there, I want to refill it. I want to find my family again before I make some. And it hurts. But I try to live every day is a new day. Yeah. Positive thinking. Thank you to reggae vibes. That helps me to go through things. Now I kept my head high, never let the Babylon take me for a ride. My songs keep me sane, otherwise I'll go crazy, especially the Somalian songs that I write. I don't want to lose my language. Hooyo waa daryeelkiyo qalbiga daawadiisiyo naftu ku qursantee. It was hard knowing that I can never go back home, because even when I was in Somalia, I knew I couldn't go back to Mogadishu, where I came from. There's a song called Africa, and I remember writing that song just thinking about back home, what I miss from back home. So if I was not a singer or songwriter, I might not know how to express that feelings. Africa, my love for you is true. My love for you is Africa. I long to be with you. Africa, the fish and the fruit, the fish and the fruit. When I come home to you, I know his eyes will be blue. Oh, my love for you is true. I just left whatever I had on me. No pictures of my family. Nothing that I could remember or to memorize it in my country, except the ones in my head. Only my memories that I kept from back home, that's what I had. Dadka dunida nool dumar iyo ragaba tiidaha tayehda dahaysaye dusha saartaye Hooyooy Dahabsanaaaa. My songs are very, very important to me because they keep me connected with my roots and my childhood memories. Tiidaha tayehda dahaysaye dusha saartaye Hooyooy Dahabsanaaaa. Hooyo alla dahabsanaa. Hooyo alla dahabsanaa. Hooyo alla dahabsanaa.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just thinking deep. Yeah, that's life. You know, I'm happy actually I'm talking about it too, you know.